Hello viewers, welcome back to another Write to Us episodes by Havis Audio Labs. It's me, your host Amith Rigvedi, trying to answer all your questions by slowly bridging the missing information in the knowledge of Audioverse. Here is an email message from Mr. Yeshwant Reddy from Marathali, Bangalore. He says, "Dear Amith, we just upgraded ourselves from an apartment to a standard villa and have a larger freedom for our quest for perfect musical experience." Very good. Here in the new house, I am trying to set up a good listening room and I'm exploring the options across several vendors, technologies and product options in the market, along with the reviews of some of them on the YouTube. Somehow, while skimming through those videos, I stumbled across your video. My wife and I watched all your videos, checked your website, and we loved the fact that an Indian high-end audio manufacturer like you are putting good effort in bringing in good educational content for audience about true meaning of the audio in the world of LED lit disco. LED lit disco speakers. I also feel it will be better if you try a different style in making such videos, since current videos are a bit monotonous. With my sincere feedback, I hope you will answer my question below. Is the meaning of bi-wiring or tri-wiring? I somehow feel it is just a gimmick by sellers to sell more cables to the innocent customers by pounding them with many new confusing terminologies. First of all, I'm glad that you watched all my videos and I'm happy that you are giving me a feedback saying that I can try something new. And here is an effort to do something new based on your feedback. So I think you will get back to us with your feedback on this video as well, and we'll be very eager to listen to it. And coming back to your new house, first, congratulations, and I hope your freedom for quest of your perfect musical experience goes smooth and you end up with a very good quality products and very good experiences. Then coming back to the question you asked us, what is the meaning of bi-wiring or tri-wiring? And you feel this is a gimmick. Well, in gist, normally in a two-channel stereo amplifier, there will be two pairs of terminals, one pair for the left speakers and another for the right speakers. Each pair of such terminals have one red terminal and one black terminal. Similarly, in a normal loudspeaker, there will be one pair of terminals just like on your amplifier, where one pair will just be hooked with the left channel and the another pair will be hooked with the right channel. Now this can be connected with a single pair of cable conductors that runs from the amplifier output to the terminals on the loudspeaker cabinet. That will be one pair for your left channel speakers and another pair for your right channel speaker. In such setup, if the loudspeaker consists of two pairs of terminals, they are often shorted with a pair of jumper plates, which looks like this. But in a bi-wiring setup, primarily used in hi-fi system in such loudspeaker, each loudspeaker will be connected with two pairs of cables which are run from the same amplifier output to the speaker cabinet. If the speaker only has one pair of such terminals, right? In case of loudspeaker boxes that has two pairs of terminal, one pair of cables out of the two pairs originating from the one channel of the amplifier is wired to the low frequency input, and yet another pair is wired from the same output of the amplifier to the high frequency output. Such speakers will have two separate crossover boards also built in, one for the high frequency and one for the low frequency, which is inside the cabinet. Audio analysis done by us suggests that such a way of wiring, one way, reduces the magnetic interaction in the cable, resulting in the better sound. 2, it increases the number of highways available for the transport of electrons from the amplifiers in the terminal. Most importantly, the third is it gives a flexible option to use cables optimized for low frequency to wire the low frequency terminal in the cabinet, and use a cables which is optimized for high frequency from the same terminal. In our experience, our technical analysis suggests that bi-wired arrangement definitely shows up some good differences from single wired ones, but such differences would normally be so insignificant, especially when listening to it in the real world living spaces. But in your case, I see you're building a dedicated space for the purpose, and assuming you have taken care of all the acoustic treatments in your space, you will certainly benefit with this particular arrangement. However, personal view, instead of bi-wiring, I would actually suggest you for a bi-amping method. This will work much better and it will give you more satisfaction for the buck you are spending.
Once again, thank you for writing to us, and don't forget to keep writing. We'll meet again in our next video.